In the era of ChatGPT, we can't imagine anything else beyond it. But in today's video, you are going to know that there is another platform which is quite equivalent and unknown to us. So if you want to know what is it exactly, you just watch this video completely without skipping it. But before gonna start, I want to say if you are new here in my channel, please give your like, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and share it. So come with me, just have a look at this video. What is it exactly here? So mates, before going to start this video, I want to say if you like this video, give your like, subscribe my channel Laboni YT and share it to all of your friends. So now I am going to tell you the name of this platform, that is Google Bard AI. Most of the people don't know about it at all because nowadays we are using more ChatGPT, so it's quite unknown to us. But today in this video I am going to tell you about this platform elaborately. So simply you have to open your Chrome browser, type on the search bar, and that is Google Bard AI. Type it on the search bar and search it. Now click on the second option here, Google Bard. And after clicking on it, you can see the main interface. Well, as I have already logged in with my Gmail ID into this platform, so in this time I am not going to do anything like this. But while you are using for the first time this platform, you have to log in, then you can enter here. Now the main matter is that how to use it properly, like ChatGPT. So throughout this video I am going to explain that how to use it perfectly. I hope you have seen in your ChatGPT account that there is a place where you can type your all inquiry. Likewise, in this platform you can do something like this. Simply type any question here. If I write, tell me about India, and simply send it into this platform the way we do in ChatGPT. Now you can see that this platform is going to give you a perfect answer whatever you have asked. Well, you can see it has given a beautiful description about my country. But now you want some kind of difference in your question. How to customize it? Actually, we do in ChatGPT. But in this platform, you can do it also. Simply click on this pen option and type anything else here. So I want to write like here something. Tell me about Indian history and update it. Now you can see that it's going to tell you about Indian history very well. It will take some time to show you, but it will give you. So you can see it here that it has given you a perfect answer of your inquiry. So in this way you can know anything else as per your choice. You can send your any inquiry the way you do in ChatGPT. Now there's another interesting feature in this platform. Suppose you are seeing an image but you don't know what is it. So you can send this image in this platform where you can solve your problem. So you have to click on this plus option, and here you can see this option upload file. So you can send JPEG PNG format of your image. So that is the main thing. And another last thing what I want to say, that is, suppose you want to see the previous conversation with this platform. Now how you will see it? Very simple. Click on these three lines and now click on this option Bard activity, and now you can see all of those conversations what you did with this platform one by one. So in this way you can see all the previous conversation what you did with this Google Bard AI platform here. So I have given you a perfect explanation about this platform, how to use it, what are the features exactly. Still, if you want to know anything more, then you can make your valuable comment in the comment box below. If you like this video, give your like, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon and share it. So that's all for today. Tata, see you again, bye.